In front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Following that, tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Click on voice typing in keyboard settings and use gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. Then tap on no visible microphone. Tap on while using the app or only this time and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!